Hello everyone. My apologies for the late update, but I'm gonna be going over, I guess for this week, a follow-up video to the asymmetric views. You guys can check it out on the link that I'm gonna be providing you guys with. So for this week, we're gonna be covering orthographic projections. Orthographic projections is basically the front, the top, and the side views. It's just a term used for I guess in the drafting area for describing front, top, and side views, which are orthographic projections. And on this one is gonna be taking an isometric view and creating a top, front, and side view, basically. So for this week's, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create the front, top, and side views from isometric views. And for I guess for this one, the keynote on side views is that like to create the side view on this one, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use a guideline. So if you guys draw like a 45-degree line, you guys can actually use the top and the front views for that guideline. So you guys are gonna be it'll make your guys' job a lot easier to create the side view on this one. And for you guys could cover, for the follow-up to isometric views, I'm going to be providing the link to you guys for that one. And it's pretty much talking about how to go reverse from top, front, and side to isometric. If you guys haven't seen it, so I'm going to be describing what these mean. If you guys have noticed it, I have these cubes up here. So these are the same one. It's just that for isometric views, you have a front, top, and side view. So these are color coded just so you guys could actually see it, how the finished product's gonna look. And if you guys have any vendor drawings or shop drawings that come in this view, you guys are gonna be able to take this view and create your top, front, and side view. So the orientation of this one is always going to stay the same as long as it portrays this cube as basically. So I'm going to be touching base on that later, but let's start. So down here, it's just a copy from the asymmetric. So now we're going to be creating our top, front, and side view. So for your first step, um, you know, you don't need a 30, 60, 90-degree angle on this one. So we're gonna go to our settings right here on polar, and it's gonna give you like a little drop down arrow, and it's gonna give you these different angles. So for right now, we're gonna change it to the 45-degree angle. So to start, always start with your front view. So we got our dimensions right here. So our front view is going to be this red hatching right here, the solid red. So that's going to be our front. Everything that's going to be on green is our top view, and our side view to finish off is going to be the blue one. So for the front view, we have 3 inches, and it's going to go over 4 inches. So you just pick a point and draw it down and just type in 3 on your keyboard. And now we're going to be going over 4 to the right. So now you're going to be needing the other view to complete the front view. So we have a 1, for the, I guess for the, for this part. So we're going to be going over up 1. And right here, it's going over 3. And now you can actually just complete it. And I'm just going to just double check if I did it right. Yep. So there it is. So you're pretty much done with your front view. So I'm just gonna just make sure So that's your front view. Now we're going to be doing our top view next. So, just a rule for you guys, just draw a straight line on the left side. That'll give you your left portion. So now we're going to be drawing 3 up on side view. So it's going to go up 3, and it's going to go over 4. And I'm just gonna draw like just square it up just for right now. We're gonna edit it like on the go. It's just so you guys could have a perimeter of what you're working with. So now we're gonna be going over 1 inch to the right. So you guys could just take a line and go over 1 to the right. So now this one's divided into 3 parts. So it's gonna go down 1/2 inch. As well as in the bottom. So now you got the top part on the left side for the top view. So now we're going to be doing the next piece, which is going to be down here. So we are going to draw this line, and now you guys can see down here it says 1 inch down, so that's going to be the width of it. And it's going to be the same thing on the other side. Now you got the middle section that you guys want to, I guess, for this one. So we're going to go in 2 inches to the left. So now you guys got that, I guess, for the top view, you got this U shape. So you guys are just going to fillet the corners. So I'm just going to click on fillet. So now you have your top view completed. So I'm just going to hatch it real quick. Sorry guys. Oh, actually, sorry about that. I did miss one piece. So right here, you guys gonna have a gap in between. So you guys are gonna trim that piece out. So now that's gonna be your top view. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that because it's gonna be a little bit hard to read. So I could just double check on it. So if you guys can see it, it's gonna match the same dimensions. You got the 3, the 0.5, the 1, and you got the 2 and the 3. So that's considered your top view for that one. So the next step is gonna be this keynote right here. You guys are gonna draw a 45-degree guideline. So as you guys can see, there's a 45-degree right there. So I'm just gonna draw it straight up. And just change the color of it to cyan. And just change it to a dashed line basically. So now, you guys could draw a point right here, hit the 45-degree angle, and go straight down basically. And now you guys gonna draw your perimeter on it. So it's gonna be the same point over here. Just stretch it. So we're gonna start out with the front view. So you guys are just gonna draw straight lines over. So for this one, that's gonna be this section. So and you guys could actually use the top view as well. So we're just gonna draw this straight, go down. So now you have your three. So it's gonna be this one, this one, this one. The reason why it's going straight is because of this line right here, and even in the bottom. So that's how you're gonna see it from the from side view. So now we're gonna be drawing this piece right here, which is so if you guys want to just start from the middle, just go down 0.5. And it's gonna be 0.5 as well for the width. Oh, actually, you know what? Here's another one. So that's gonna be your side view, guys. Um, you're gonna be doing this one. Okay, yep. That's gonna be your side view for this one. So that's gonna conclude this one. And just a recap. This is one of 3 orthographic projections. There's gonna be 2 and 3 following this one for this week. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe if you haven't, and give me some good comments back if you guys need help on it. Thank you.